Vanna from Shape Nails, so we need to stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a garlic DIY nail soak that you can use on your nails to grow them fast and long. Garlic has wonderful properties in it to make your nails grow long and strong, so if you have brittle nails at all, this is going to help. So let's get started with the soak. Alright, let's take 3/4 cup of water and heat it up in the microwave. And after our water is heated up, we're going to go ahead and take some green tea. I'm gonna sit. They come in little bags like this, and you're just going to open them up. In the little green tea bags, see? The classic green tea bags. And then we'll just place it right in the water. I don't know why I forgot the name for water. We'll put the green tea bag right in the water. Swoosh around a little bit. And we're going to set this aside and let it cool. And then you can go ahead and grab yourself a bowl that you want to soak your nails in. And then you want to go ahead and cut up 3 garlic cloves. You can use more, but I usually just use 3. Alright, we got our garlic in the bowl. Now it's time for the green tea. Let's go ahead. There we go. I don't want the tea bag just right in the front here, right in the pour. Then you just pour it in the bowl. There we go. I think it's stirred a little bit, maybe. Heck, you can just leave the green tea bag right in there. Let's just pop it right in there for aesthetic. It's over here. Let's just put it in here. There we go. Nice and aesthetic. And there we go. There's our garlic green tea DIY nail soaks. Now all you have to do is dive right in. Just put your nails right into it. And you can go ahead and soak your nails to 10 to 15 minutes. And you want to make sure when you're soaking your nails, you don't want to do it right before you do a manicure, because your natural nail bed can soak up some of the water and then release it after you paint your nails and then your nail polish chips. So you want to do a DIY nail soak when you're not ready to do a manicure. You probably want to do a manicure the next day. Garlic and green tea are wonderful for your nails. Garlic is one of the things that I use all the time to grow my nails long. I'm showing you right now, but every time I do my DIY nail soaks, I make sure I don't have any nail polish on so my natural nail bed can soak up all the good juices of this DIY nail soak. If you're interested in more DIY nail soaks, I have more videos and I'll link them right up there on the top of the video, right up there. Also, another thing that I like to do, I of course let the green tea cool down, but I still soak my nails when it's a little warm because it makes for a better experience. I hope you'll give this DIY nail soak a try. Do you have any DIY nail soaks that you do at home? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Give this video a like if you like this soak. I hope you got value out of this video. Please subscribe down below if you want more awesome content. That's my rocker. But I can't really move because I don't want to spill this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!